Hello everyone, today we are making Chinese barbecue pork fried rice, also called Char Siu fried rice. It's savory with a touch of sweetness from the Char Siu, colorful, comforting, and really easy to make at home. Let's start with the rice. Today I'm using about 3 cups of leftover rice. That usually comes from about 1 cup of uncooked rice. Before cooking, use a spatula to break apart any clumps in the rice. If you are using freshly cooked rice, you can check out my other fried rice videos. I'll leave the links in the description below. For the char siu, I'm using about 225 grams. Slice it first, then dice into small cubes. If you can't find char siu, you can use others like roasted pork or ham. You can even use regular pork and season with the char siu sauce for a similar flavor. Now let's move on to the vegetables. Start with the carrot. Slice it first, then cut into strips, and finally dice into small cubes. Then chop 1 medium shallot into small pieces and separate the layers. Then take 2 green onions and cut them into small pieces. Finally, prepare about 1/3 cup of green peas. With all the vegetables ready, we'll also need 2 eggs. Now let's make the sauce before cooking. Mix 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, and a little bit white pepper. Mix everything together and set it aside. Now we are ready to cook. Heat the pan over medium-high heat and add some oil. Add the char siu and sauté for about 1 minute till the edges are lightly caramelized and fragrant. Then add the shallot and stir fry till fragrant and slightly softened. After that, add the carrots and cook for another 30 seconds or so. Follow with the green peas and a small pinch of salt. Stir fry everything together for another 10 to 15 seconds. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add a little bit more oil. Once the oil is hot, pour in the eggs and scramble quickly. You don't need to fully cook them. While they are still slightly soft, add the rice. Break it up and stir fry till lightly fragrant. Pour in the sauce and quickly stir fry for about 30 seconds, just till fragrant and evenly coated. Then add the char siu and vegetables back in, along with a small pinch of salt. Stir fry for another 15 to 20 seconds. Then turn off the heat, add the green onions and a drizzle of sesame oil. Give everything a final toss, and it's ready to serve. This Chinese barbecue pork fried rice is so tasty and easy to make at home. It's sweet, savory, and just really well balanced. Every bite has a little bit of everything. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.